Hello students, we are in the third unit, which is physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. In this unit, we have already discussed the types of or components of physical fitness, and these are speed, strength, endurance, flexibility and coordinative abilities. Today we will discuss in the last topic, which is coordinate abilities, right? So let's start. Coordinative abilities are the ability of the body to perform movements with the perfection and efficiency. In other words, it is the ability to change movement or direction in the shortest time without getting unbalanced or unstable. Right? In the coordinative abilities, these are the coordinations between our mind and our body or our senses. Right? In the cognitive abilities, we always respond to the messages from the body, and we can also say that this is the neuromuscular coordination. It means it is totally this depends on our brain and its coordination with our body, right? Now the types of coordinative abilities, in which first is orientation ability. This is the ability of a sports person to determine the position of the body and its part in time and space with respect of gravity and moving object. This ability depends on the functional capacity of sensory organs. Suppose someone is throwing a ball, then what you do, you judge that ball, your senses, your eyes guess the distance from your body, then it comes to you, you get do the catch, right? That is the coordination between our senses to our brain, and that ball was a moving object, right? Next is coupling ability. This is the capacity to the combined the movement of different body parts. For example, boxing. Coupling ability is that in which your different body parts moves together in the different directions. Suppose you are in the boxing and someone is going to punch you. That time what you do, you remove your face from that position and you do the punch at the same time. These are the different activities together, or different movements together. You are removing your face from that position and you are punching together. Okay, that is called coupling ability. The next is reaction ability. This is the ability to react immediately or quickly and effectively to a signal. There's two types of reaction ability. First is simple reaction and second is complex reaction. Listen, whenever you get a signal from your senses, your brain think about it and your body react against that signal, right? That is called reaction ability. How quickly you react against the signal. Okay, it has two types: simple reaction ability, in which signal will be known. As you know, in the starting of 100-meter sprint, you know there will be a command: ready, get set, and go. In the go command, you have to run, and you have to move your body from that position. That signal was known. Okay, that is called simple reaction ability, and the other is complex. In the complex reaction ability, signal will be unknown. Suppose a bowler is bowling, that time you are doing the batting, you don't know where he will drop the ball and what kind of ball he will throw. It will be spin fast or whatever, right? It means you have to react against the unknown signal. That is called complex reaction ability. Okay, next is balancing or balance ability. This is the ability to maintain balance during the different activities. For example, a handstand on pedal bar or horizontal bar. It means in the balancing ability, your body will maintain the balance during the activities. Suppose you are doing some kind of activities on the horizontal bar or pedal bar. That is the time you require, that time you need balancing ability of your body, right? The next is rhythmic ability. This is the ability to do movement with required rhythm. It means when there will be rhythm, and you have to maintain the balance with the movement. That is called reaction or rhythmic ability. For example, in the gymnastic, you require the rhythmic ability. Sometimes you perform in the music and you maintain your balance, you do your activity, you do your movements. That is rhythmic ability. Next is adaptational ability, the ability to solve motor tasks effectively in the spite of changes or changing situations. Or we can say adaptational ability is the ability to adjust or change the movement effectively on the basis of changes in the situations. So these were the types of coordinative abilities. Now we have learned all five components of physical fitness. Thank you so much.